Good morning, student. Today I will teach you how to make tables, queries, forms, and the reports. So, for this, first you have to open the Microsoft Access. For this, click on all programs and search for Microsoft Office. And from where we will take Microsoft Access. As you will click on the Microsoft Access, this screen will get open. Now, click on the Create button. As you will click on the create button, this another screen will get open. So first click on the view. Right here you will click on the design view. Since we have to make the table, so first we have to work on its design. We will going to make a student table. So I am giving the name as a student. If you want to give the complete name, you can give the complete name. If you want to give the small name, you can give the small name. Here I have given the complete name student. Okay, now my student table has been designed, but we have to put certain fields also. For this we have to type it here. First I am taking roll number, right? Now I am just accepting. Next I will take student name, right? Now next I will take class, CLASS. This is also I will take it as a text. So long list is there. Whatever the thing you want to select, you can select it here. Now after this I will take the percentage. Percent. Right? This I will take it as a number. So I make it as a number. Fine. Now my student table has been designed. Let us make some records. For this we have to go to the data sheet view. Right? It was asking for saving. Let us save it. Now we are in the data sheet view. Now we enter the records here. First roll number, then student name. You enter of your choice. Let me enter name Amit. Right? Class, let us enter some class. I have entered 6th class. And then percentage. Here I will enter the percentage 67. Now I have to make the other, so you just simply enter key. We'll come back to the next records. Again you enter here 2. This time I am taking Ajay. Right? Here I will enter the class 7. So very quickly let us enter it so that we can focus on the other thing. I want 10 records. So not 10, I will make only 4 records here. 3. Here I am taken Tina, and then what is the percentage we'll give? 87. And then 4 and Meena, and then let it take it as a 8. 1 2 3. Okay. And now it is my 94%. Fine. So our table has been designed properly and we have done the records. So this is our table. Fine. Now let us see how to create the tables. Now you understood the views is very important. Design, for designing the thing, data sheet, view, just see this form where we can enter the record. Now we'll design the next thing, that is called queries. Here that you can see query wizard is there and query design is there. But I will tell you, you have to click on query design. As you will click on the query design, this dialog box will open with the same table which we have created. Student, you just click on add. It is added here. Now let us close it. Now whatever the record you want to show, whatever the field you want to show, you just display it over here. Roll number, name, class, and the percentage. Let us put some condition. I want to see the student's name whose roll number is greater than 2. This is my condition. Let us see what it is going to display. I said greater than 2. Let us see. Right? What it is going to see. For running the program, for checking the content, we will run the program. Right? Here you can see record 3/4 it is shown, that is Tina 8, that is because the roll number is 3, and the 4 here, that is what we have not entered, so it has not shown, right? So let us come back to the student, but it is showing here, but in the queries it is not showing. Let me save this data, that's why it was not showing us, right? So let us save it. Okay, as you will save it, it will start showing each and everything. So save the database. Okay, yes, we have saved all the object. Yes, we have saved. Query 1 is also saved. Okay, I have saved here. Clear? Now I will take you to the student database, and let me take you to the query database. Now it is showing. So whenever you was looking or watching some peculiar answer, you simply save the database, you will get the perfect answer. Now we have designed table, we have designed queries. Now we'll design forms. For designing the form, click on the form design. As you will click on the form design, this will get open, right? Now we will use the existing field. Just click it here, it will show you the tables. So what I want to show, keep it here, all the IDs. I am just drag it here, and roll number I will just drag it here, and serial number I will just drag it here. Let us keep this. First you check what is going to happen. Now this is my designing form. You can see it here. Now let us go to the form view. What is going to happen? Now here you can see it is showing ID, roll number and the serial number. Now you can check at the bottom. We have designed the 4 records. So it is showing the 4 records. Let us check one by one. 2 Ajay, 3 was Tina, and 4th was Meena. Showing all the forms. Is it clear to each and everyone? Right. Now let us go back to the next part, that is called report design. Right. If you will click on the report design, you will get the same menus. Now we will make, again we'll use the existing data, that is this one. Now we'll drag it, whatever the things you want to see as a report, you just click it here. Right. We'll simply drag it here. I have to kept it here. Now we'll check it out, its report. Right. For checking the report, where you have to go? You have to go in the report view. Just click it here. You can see here it is not showing that record changing. It is showing the record of only first, that is roll number. Now you can see some mixing is there. If you want to change this look, where you have to go? In the design. Right. Let me take you to the design. Let us do some beautification here, so that our data will look some beautiful. Right. Let me move little bit. Let us give some space so that there should be no overlapping anywhere. Right. Right. Now let us check now how it is showing our data. Report view. Now it is showing clearly. If you want to do more beautification, you can do it. So this is called report. I hope this whole concept will be clear to you. I want you should try it practically. If you have a doubt, you can ask me. Have a nice day. Bye.